Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to build a monster hand out of Lego. If you want to build a monster in Lego and you don't have an idea what to use a hand for the monster, I can give you an example. Like take two of these pieces, put them down and two take these and take one of this. Alright, so what you're going to do is take these two pieces and take this piece, and you're going to put one of this piece over here like this and the other one on the opposite side. So now you have this. So now you're going to take this piece, add it like this. Alright, front and now the back. Now I'm going to take this piece and add it at the front. Alright, so here is the base of the hand. So now we are going to make the fingers. So first you want is one of this. Next you want is one of this, and next you want is one of this, and next you want to get is this, and next this. So now what you're going to do is take this piece and take this piece. Now flip it over. You see this, it's supposed to be across. You put it inside like that. Alright, and you take this thing, the sharp pointy edge, and put it on the other side. See, like that. Now you take this piece and add it right here. Put these dots where the sharp pointing thing is at, and in the ends like holes on the back side. So now you're going to take this one, this piece, and what you're going to do, oh sorry, my mistake, I flipped this piece backwards. It's supposed to be like this. These pointing things out will go back and this will go in. Okay, so now you take this piece and like this, it's like two dots, and anywhere put the side dot over here. Top one just goes up, we don't need that. Now you can move, this is the finger. Now you can move this up, down, left, right. Don't move too far or it will snap like that. And we're done with one finger. And now with a little bit of magic, we now have three. So now what you're going to do is take this piece and take this and use this piece to put it at the end. Now take another one, take one gap right over here and then place it over here. Right, take the last finger and put it at the last one right here. Oh, it might break, so it's okay. You know how to build it because you are watching my channel. It's a little hard. You might not want to do it because it might be hard, but in the end you can do it. You might get frustrated because of all of the breaking, but in the end it's all worth it. Now you can move all these fingers too. Thank you for watching my video, how to build a hand for a monster. Bye.